If you're selling on Zazzle and struggling to stand out, this video is for you. I'm going to share a powerful strategy that helps you uncover niches with high demand and low competition. This isn't just guesswork. It's a proven way to find products people are actually buying, so you can focus on designs that sell instead of wasting time. Watch till the end to know what you need to do step by step. Now let's get started. If you've watched my previous videos, you know I've shared lots of different strategies for selling on Zazzle, but the one I'm about to show you is by far the most effective. It's the exact method I'm currently using myself to find niches with real selling potential, and the best part is, it helps you cut through the noise and focus only on what actually works. Now, you might think the way to find niches is by typing in random keywords on Zazzle and checking how much competition they have. But here's the problem: it takes hours, and even if you stumble on something, you still don't know if people are actually searching for it. It's basically a game of hit and trial, and honestly, who has that much time? We'd all rather spend our energy on creating great products and designs instead. But before we move forward, to create great designs, we need suitable assets, and for that, Creative Fabrica is your one-stop destination. Creative Fabrica is a game changer. It gives you access to thousands of fonts, graphics, and design elements you can use to make professional products fast. The best part, with their plan, you get unlimited downloads, so you'll never run out of creative resources. I personally use it, and it's been a huge time saver. So be sure to check it out. The link is in the description. Now, getting back to the video. For this strategy, we're going to use a website called answerthepublic.com. It's a super useful tool that shows you the exact questions and phrases people are searching for online. Instead of guessing what customers want, you can see their real interests and turn those into profitable niche ideas for your Zazzle store. Like here, if I search for Zazzle, it will give me all the questions people are asking about Zazzle, different search terms, comparison, keywords, and many other useful stats. But we don't need to pay much attention to these things. We just need to scroll down to alphabeticals. Here you will see all the search terms people are searching with Zazzle from A to Z. From this, you will know what niches people are searching for. This shows you all the search terms people are using with your main keyword from A to Z. For example, you'll see terms like Zazzle address labels, Zazzle business cards, and so on. The next step is simple. Look at the search volume and CPC. High search volume means lots of people are looking for it, and high CPC shows advertisers are willing to pay for it. Once you find strong keywords, just search them on Zazzle to check the competition. That's how you spot niches with high demand and low competition. For example, let's search for Zazzle earring cards. We will just copy the term and paste it in Zazzle. And check the number of results to check competition. And if competition is low, then you can make designs for that product right away, as we already checked that it has great sales volume. After a few searches, I found the locally grown baby shower niche, and as you can see, it has pretty low competition. Now I can be sure that if I make designs for this niche, I can make some sales for sure. We can also search for niches which we want to make designs for. Like here I searched for birthday theme and see what results we get. And similarly, we got a lot of questions and stats about the search term. However, we only need to check alphabeticals for keywords. Though we can take advantage of other stats also, but it's a topic for another video. Now we just need to search for terms we want to make designs for, and we can repeat the same process and we can find great niches. This strategy is completely based on stats, so you can just focus on creating great designs. It is free with limited stats, but you get a 3-day free trial. However, if you want more detailed information, you can always buy their plans. So this sums up this video, guys. Are you going to use this strategy? Please let me know in the comments section. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please like and subscribe so that you don't miss any upcoming useful videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay creative and stay awesome.